Peace, my lovelies. So, we are on our way to the laundromat. Me. Okay? All right. I hope you guys are having a phenomenal day. I am on my way to the laundromat. Okay? I got 4 bags. I tried to wash everything in this house that I could wash. Okay? All right? And so let me order my Lyft and I catch you guys once I get to the laundromat. See you guys there. Peace. Okay, so my Lyft driver, very, very handsome. And not only that, honey, he was so helpful, scared the bejesus out of me, okay? Because he had came all the way up to the stairs to help your girl with the bags. Okay, look at him, okay? Honey, this is what you call top service, okay? All right? And of course, I had to give him a tip, but he was looking like he didn't want to take it. All right, family, so right now I'm on my way to the supermarket. Okay, right now I'm in the supermarket, okay? And I need to get some more bleach. Although the bleach, I had enough of bleach, but just to have bleach in my house is really, really good. Oh, wow. They have a deal on the laundry detergent, okay? So this laundry detergent right here, I love using this, okay? But sometimes I be in the mood for Tide, okay? This laundry detergent is normally like $14, $15. It is really, really good though. And normally when I get the 7th generation detergent, I always get the lavender one. I never hardly ever get this one, okay? But if you go to Costco, they have this or something similar to this that is really, really big, and it's like for $20 or $15 or so. I can't remember exactly how much it was, but right now Stop and Shop have a sale on the Tide, okay, which normally is $13. Okay, so I am going to go with the Downy Bliss. I love getting these, either this one or the purple one, which I don't think they have the purple one, but the sparkling amber rose is good. And right now it is $10.
Scan it or scan it mobile device. Scan your Stop and Shop card now. Please follow the instructions on the pin pad. Thank you for using your card. $11.99. Place your item in the bagging area. Savings $2.479. Wait, system processing.
soaking wet. Okay, family, thanks for watching the video. My battery was about to die and I needed to do other videos, so this is the end. Peace.